Hello and welcome back to School Chat Academy with me, Tukur Hamid. Today we are going to learn noun gender and noun possessives. So if you are set, let's begin. Gender. Gender refers to the biological sex of an individual or animal. There are four kinds of gender in English language. These are masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender, and the common gender. Masculine gender. These nouns are used for male creatures only. Examples: man, father, king, prince, waiter, rum. Feminine gender. These nouns are used for female creatures only. Examples: woman, mother, queen, princess, waitress, you. The common gender. These nouns are used for both genders. Examples: student, teacher, leader, lawyer, etc. Neuter gender. These are nouns that are used for inanimate objects. They are things that don't have life in them. Examples: door, house, market, store, etc. Possession is the state of ownership. It is indicated in nouns by a punctuation mark called the apostrophe. There are two kinds of noun possessives: singular possessives and plural possessives. Singular possessives are used to indicate ownership for a single individual or thing. The method is an apostrophe and an S after the word. Examples: the boy's fate, the fate of the boy. My father's car, the car belongs to my father. Yusuf's pen, the pen belongs to Yusuf. John's bag, the bag belongs to John. Cat's tail, the tail of the cat. Plural possessives. This is used to indicate ownership for two or more individuals or things. The method is only an apostrophe is added after the word. Examples: the boy's fate, the fate of the boys. As you can see here, the apostrophe is added after the S. The S is the natural one that comes with the plural. Father's Day, the day for fathers. Teachers' meeting, the meeting for teachers. Couples seats, seats for couples. Special cases. Possessives for words ending in S. Similar to singular nouns, the apostrophe and S are added after the word. Examples: James's car, the car belongs to James. Chris's farm, the farm belongs to Chris. Charles's shirt, the shirt belongs to Charles. Possessives for words that do not take S. Some words do not take S to form their plural. However, they take the letter S with an apostrophe to indicate possession. Examples: people's choice, the choice of the people. Normally, people does not take s because people in itself is a plural. Man's shoe, the shoe for men. Children's Day, the day for children. Okay, this is the end of our lesson. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.